Dear students, I am Shobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College, Bhim. Today I am going to explain some chief characteristics of Shakespearean comedy. It is in BA Part 1st, Paper 1st of English Literature. Uh, the chief characteristic of Shakespearean comedy is that it is romantic. Shakespeare in his comedies present a romantic and idealized world. Uh, he presents imaginary setting and an idealized world. He presents the world which shows us how to live in life, and they are romantic and idealized characters. The characters of Shakespearean comedies are not mean and degraded persons. They are persons who have noble qualities in their character. They have humanity, and the characters of Shakespearean comedies are noble persons. They have the good qualities of mind and heart. There is although Shakespeare present in his plays the imaginary world. He presents imaginary world in his comedies, but he does not escape from harsh realities of life. He depicts reality in his plays. For an example, in As You Like It, there is an imaginary setting of the forest of Arden, and there is pastoral setting, and all the world of this pastoral world is happy and joyous and idealistic. But he also depicts, Shakespeare also presents the harsh realities of life. He presents that in this forest in which all the people live happily, there are also some adversities and some limitations, like there is winter and harsh weather, and here too failures in life are left behind by the successful people, and this can be seen through the incident of a deer, wounded deer in this play. So there is a mixture of romance and realism in Shakespearean comedies. The next characteristic is the theme of this theme of Shakespearean comedies is which is a love theme. Shakespeare in all of his comedies presents love as dominant theme. In the end of his plays, there is ringing of bells. All the couples in his plays get married at the end of the play. His comedies are joyous and happy, and love plays an important role in his plays, and he presents love in its variety. For an example, there is love at first sight, and there is romantic love, and some materialistic love like Touchstone and Audrey too. The women characters of Shakespearean comedies are very intelligent, beautiful, and witty. The his heroines, Shakespeare's heroines of comedies are very resourceful and practical, and in fact they are more resourceful and practical than the men folk of his comedies. His women characters or heroines play an important role in all of his comedies. So these women characters uh, provide a touch of happiness and delight in his comedies. The humor, the next element is humor. The the all of Shakespeare's comedies are sunny, joyous, and merry, and there is happiness. He presents happiness in his comedies. There are no tragic elements, um, but he provides humor in various ways. Um, to provide humor, he introduces very many clownish characters and fools like Touchstone, Faced, and clownish characters like Sir Andrew, Sir Andrew and Bottom and his followers. All these clownish characters provide laughter in the play, in the comedies of Shakespeare. Uh, but Shakespeare's humor is not mean uh, and ludicrous type. Uh, his humor is always light, and his humor provides happiness to all. Although he introduces clownish characters to provide laughter to the groundlings. The exposure of follies. Through all of his comedy, Shakespeare presents the follies of human life, and he also there is no satiric aim in Shakespeare's comedies. Uh, there is no bitter humor, and he exposes the follies of conventional uh, pastoral plays. In his plays, there are no he doesn't follow the unities, the three unities, the unities of time, place and action, which have cramping effect on the play. So he doesn't Shakespeare doesn't follow three unities like the classical comedies or conventional comedies, which follow all of these three comedies, three unities. In the conclusion, we can say that Shakespeare's comedies present reality, romanticism as well as reality. There is a mixture of romance and realism in his comedies. He does not escape from the harsh realities of life. He presents realities in his plays, and his characters are not mean and degrading type of characters. They are noble and noble characters who have many humanistic qualities of head and heart. And Shakespeare does not have a satiric aim. His only aim is to provide love, humor and happiness to his audience and readers. And love plays an important role in his plays, and women characters are very his women characters are intelligent, resourceful and beautiful, and provide happiness. So all of these are the characteristics of Shakespearean comedies. Thank you.